How to generate codes using Canva AI. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily generate codes or simple games using Canva AI. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and then go to canva.com. Now, from the Create tab, you want to basically head over to the left-hand side of your screen and then go to Canva AI. Now, from Canva AI, you can just click on this section called Code for Me. Now you can just add any prompt you want. So here are already pre-written prompts that you can do. What I can do is just go ahead and click on this one. I've already entered a prompt. So you can just go ahead and write something like create an interactive memory managing game designed for a fun meeting icebreaker. Start with an example, Team Connect, game featuring 12 emoji cards, colorful workspace theme. Or you can just do something like this. And once you have done that, it will create different versions for you. Tap on this and you'll be able to see it in real time. As you can see here now, I can start playing without any problem. So I can just click on it, match the cards, and it's going to be quite fun. So something like this, and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.